Understanding the unity candle, a symbol of togetherness. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring the meaningful phrase, unity candle. This term is rich with symbolism and is often used in a very specific context. Let's light the way to understanding together. A unity candle refers to a pair of candles that represent the individual lives of two people. In a traditional ceremony, each person lights a single candle, symbolizing their separate lives and experiences. The heart of the unity candle tradition lies in the joining of the two flames. The individuals take their candles and light a third, larger candle together. This act symbolizes their lives joining as one, with the single flame representing their united future and shared dreams. Unity candles are most commonly seen in wedding ceremonies. They offer a visual representation of the couple's commitment to each other and are a beautiful tradition that emphasizes the importance of unity in marriage. While unity candles are closely associated with weddings, the concept can be applied more broadly to signify any coming together. It can represent the merging of families, communities, or even countries. We hope this explanation sheds light on the beautiful concept of the unity candle. May it inspire you to think about the importance of togetherness in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember, together, we shine brighter.